Hi everybody, this is our test of Ideegeniali CNC kit. It's a small and cheap kit for 3D CNC work. We use the board and soldered by my friend Firas. Hi Firas. And 3 steppers with well coated wire color and the board of Ideegeniali. Through the LBT port of the old PC, and the stepper motors on the board get its power supply from the PC power supply from this wire, 12 volts. And this is the old PC and the configuration file of the CNC 611. So we will use this configuration file, come from the company Ideegeniali, Italian company, and this is the Mac 3 software. We now will load a G-code file as a test. We will take the cross. That's the cross. Stop resetting and then go to toolpath, zoom in and go. And now we will see that the X and Y stepper motors works because it's configured as a plasma, so the Z stepper motor will not need to be turned on sometimes for the transmission. As we see, the toolpath is moving and the G-code, that's the G-code, the X and Y is turning on. Toolpath again, traveling, and we can see the steppers. And when these steppers mounted in the gantry, CNC gantry, 3D gantry, it will work as a CNC and may be replaced by a bigger stepper motor with the suitable drivers. Ah.